Hey, good morning, everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is March the 15th, 2025. That'll make it Saturday. Coming to you from mobile headquarters. Just got done with the walk. 48 degrees, 45 degrees maybe. Not super cold, but anyhow. So this morning's topic is you may think your gas tank is empty. I'm not talking about your car. You may think your emotional gas tank is empty. You may think your financial gas tank is empty. You may think your spiritual gas tank is empty. As a man in his mid 60s, okay, not early 60s, there's always more in your tank than what you think. You may think you're on empty, but I guarantee, as they say in Louisiana, I guarantee you've got a little bit left in the tank to finish the job, to finish the project, to finish off whatever you started well. You're not going to run out of gas. And there's a million more well, not a million. There's 5 more examples I can give, but I'm not going to. But when you think you're out of gas, when you think you have no more options, when you think you can't take another step, oh yes, you can. How do I know that? Oh yes, you can. Anyhow, that's the video. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being part of my crypto family. And once again, you always have a little bit left in your gas tank than what you think. That's it. Love y'all. Bye-bye.